Well, on my Husky racks from Home Depot, I like the red color, so I got those. And I put casters on all of them, and then I put tie downs all the way around, as you can see, just as an added support, because you just never know when these might come loose, and I'd rather it be tight than to come loose. The big rack here, I ended up putting a 2x6 on. I tied all those down. They're basically the same system, but a little bit different. The holes in the unit there, you can put your bolts through. I like to use washers, and tied all of those down. Tied everything else down with the zip ties, and makes it a little bit sturdy. I don't know if there needs to be an instruction on how to put one together. It's pretty basic, simple. But this rack here will come in handy. It's a big rack. All my racks I got at Home Depot. I just happen to like the red. And I waited a few months. I think it took about a month and a half to get in. And went to Harbor Freight to get the casters. So that's about it. Enjoy.